Welcome back. Returning now to the battle in federal court. Several Colorado sheriffs are fighting to overturn new gun control laws. We had some technical difficulties a little earlier in the show, but they've been fixed now, hopefully. So we want to head back out now to Tyler Lopez, who's outside the courthouse. Tyler.
Kelly, this morning we started with the plaintiff's lawyer telling Chief Judge Marcia Krieger that these new laws were, quote, symbolic gestures that do not improve public safety. The Attorney General's office countered by saying the balance of the interests involved in this case favor what state lawmakers did last year. You recall, soon after these laws passed, an overwhelming majority of county sheriffs were directly in opposition to the 15-round magazine limit and the universal background checks passed by the state legislators during the 2013 General Assembly. The number of sheriffs involved has now been trimmed dramatically by court order. We now have 11 current sheriffs who are either facing term limits or retiring soon, but they include the sheriffs from Weld, Adams, and Elbert counties. Today, a lawyer told the judge that it would be reasonable to assume that Colorado would have seen more background checks as a result of one of these laws, but Richard Westphal says the numbers actually showed a slight decrease in background checks performed in the 6 months starting in July of 2013 through December. This is a failure by any measure, Westphal said. The Attorney General's office countered by saying the background checks make it harder for dangerous people to get guns and reduces gun trafficking and will likely lead to a reduction in firearm homicide rates in Colorado. This is a bench trial with the judge ultimately making the final decision, but I heard lawyers going in the door this morning saying they fully expect this case will at least end up with the 10th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals right across the street, regardless of the way the judge rules. This is day one of a trial that's expected to last a full 2 weeks. Live downtown, Tyler Lopez, 7 News.